Hello and welcome guys. In this Hebrew lesson we're going to learn how to use the verb yechol in past tense, and essentially in English it will be equivalent to could or was able to. So the conjugation of the modal verb can, the infinitive is lichol, but we don't really use the infinitive. But nevertheless, I strongly suggest to make a screenshot of the conjugation that I'm going to give you, and also it is better for you to write it down because this one is an irregular verb, but we will be using it very frequently because in conversational Hebrew we use it a lot. Okay, so nevertheless, grab a pen, grab a piece of paper, open your notebooks, and let's start writing it together. Alternatively, you can simply make a screenshot. אני יכולתי, אתה יכולת, את יכולת, הוא יכל, היא יכלה, אנחנו יכולנו, אתם יכולתם, אתן יכולתן, הם יכלו, הן יכלו. I couldn't do that. לא יכולתי לעשות את זה. Why couldn't you do that? למה לא יכולת לעשות את זה? I didn't have time to do that. לא היה לי זמן לעשות את זה. Were you able to help him? יכולת לעזור לו? No, I wasn't able to help him. לא, לא יכולתי לעזור לו. Why didn't you eat? למה לא אכלת? I couldn't eat more. לא יכולתי לאכול יותר. יוסי could do that faster. יוסי יכל לעשות את זה יותר מהר. מיכל also could do that. גם מיכל יכלה לעשות את זה. You could have done that fast. יכולתם לעשות את זה מהר. We couldn't have done that fast. לא יכולנו לעשות את זה מהר. They could do whatever they want. הם יכלו לעשות מה שהם רוצים. They could buy whatever they want. הן יכלו לקנות מה שהן רוצות. So thank you for your attention guys, and I hope that you have found this video educating. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson.